I'ma head out then.
What's going on, man?
That's the money. How you doing, Dick Jackson?
Man, can't complain, man. What you got here?
You got a demo here.
Yep.
Got a Master 10 on a 2K CT.
Yes, sir. Yep, I remember.
Outside behind the shop.
Yep. And audio script.
This is DJ BLUETTI.
B3 audio on Facebook, right?
Yes, sir.
Did I give you a sticker already? Let me get you right.
Not this year.
Yeah, man.
I got one of your last year's stickers.
Yeah, let me get you one. Let me get another one. Yep. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Man, I'll see you back on the next one, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.